Alright, welcome back everybody to Operation Mars. This is the Comintern turn 12. Things are continuing not to look great. Germany is slowly but surely closing in on us in Moscow. Just really been unchallenged the whole game. The Axis in general. But we will see how long we can hold out. But first we'll do the CCP and see if our absolutely garbage luck with the CCP continues to hold. We have $3 and we're going to be buying a cavalry. This is going to clear the bank. We're going to go ahead and do a combat move because why not? And we're going to be taking our cavalry in Shanghai into Shinzi. So it's going to be a 2 on a 2. Our cavalry will be in brown, and the Japanese militia will be in teal. So we will roll that. Both are at 2. And what do you know, the Japanese militia gets a hit on the first round. So, CCP is staying true to form. And they will collect $2. Place their cavalry into Shanghai. And we'll do a recruitment roll on 2 or less. And it misses. We'll go to the Soviets. Soviets have $30. They're going to be spending, or Soviets have $31. They're going to be spending 30 of it on 2 T-34s and 10 militia. So that's going to be 1 in the bank. Combat moves, we have a militia from Moscow walking into Western Russia. And we have a militia in Donetsk, Kuban, walking into Eastern Ukraine. We're also going to be scorching things, because why not? We're going to scorch this. We're going to scorch this. Let's scorch this. This. Although we can't scorch this one, we'll keep this one open. See, we were connected here, so we'll scorch that. We'll scorch here. That one's already scorched. We'll scorch that. We'll scorch here and here. Yeah, that'll be that. Alright, other combat moves, none on this side, but we will have some over here. And we're just going to go ahead and take all of Cheetah into Western Manchuria. We're going to bring our fighter into this as well. So round 1, we're going to have 4 infantry at 1, a cavalry at 2, 2 T-34s at 5, and a fighter at 6. But first we need to roll the Japanese artillery. First strike at a 3. And it misses. So we roll all of our guys. It's going to be, wow, it's 2 hits the mountain takes away. We do get 2 hits on our T-34s though, and then our fighter misses. So I'm sure that's probably the cav and the artillery. The cav does get to fire back. So the Japanese will have, on round 1, they'll have 3 5s for the 2 tanks and their mountain infantry. They will have 2 4s for these 2 infantry and then they will have a 2 for their cavalry. So 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. So it's going to be 1 hit for the Japanese. And we will take that on an infantry. We're actually going to take that on cavalry. So these 2 guys are gone. So we'll go into round 2. Our infantry are now at 2s. Our T-34s are now at 6s. And then our fighter remains at a 6. Alright, oh wow. Our infantry came to play. It's going to be 3 hits off our infantry, 1 hit off our T-34, and then our fighter misses. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, I imagine. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, they're only left with the tank after this round. Fighting back at us this time. The cavalry's gone. It's going to be 2 tanks out of 5. And then the mountain infantry goes back to a 4 since this is no longer mountain combat. So it's going to be 3 4s in green, 2 tanks out of 5 in teal. So the 5, we get 1 hit there, then 1 hit there. So we'll lose 2 infantry. And then we will go around 3. So we will have 2 infantry remaining at 2, our T-34s at 6, and our fighter at 6. So it's going to be a T-34 hit, which will kill the tank. Our fighter missed every round, but our infantry came to play, so we cannot complain at all on that. And then the tank gets to shoot back at a 5, and it hits. So that's going to be another infantry gone. So we will take over Western Manchuria with a fighter and 2 T-34s. And put that there. An infantry and 2 T-34s. The fighter is going to land in Cheetah for non-combat moves. The 2 militia and the 2 artillery and Stalingrad are going to move into Saratov. We're going to rail our medium factory out of Stalingrad to Novosibirsk. And we're going to use the other rail movement to rail our AAA into Saratov. The 5 fast movers in northern Caucasia are going to move to western Kazakhstan. And the 4 militia are going to move into Komstakaya. The 2 fighters are going to fly back to Moscow. I think that pretty well takes care of our non-combat moves. I guess this was a combat move over here. Raiding. A couple of D6s will be attackers in red at a +2. It's going to be a full 3 damage. Don't think there's anything else, so we'll just place our buys. 2 T-34s are going into Cheetah. We'll take 3 of these militia over to the far east. We're going to put 1 into Cheetah, 1 into Novosibirsk, and 1 into Perovsky Krai. 7 militia. 4 of them are going into Moscow. The other 3 are going to go to Saratov. Put these artillery together. See, wonder if we can just... There. There we go. Okay, I think that's got everything, so we'll collect monies. The Soviet Union collects 26 plus 2, so we'll have 29 in the bank. And we will pass it off to the veteran for Japan turn 12.